department store credit cards. There are closed loop credit cards and open loop credit cards. Closed loop cards are when a department store issues a credit card that you can only use at that department store. But the fact is, you are probably getting better rewards from your open loop cards. An open loop card sounds exactly like what it sounds like. It could still be a department store card with a Visa or MasterCard logo, and you can use those anywhere Visa or MasterCard are accepted. And they'll typically have a better point system, but maybe you'll get something extra by using it at the store. But if you finance anything, the department store makes money from that, even if you bought merchandise at another store. And typically on department store cards, the interest rates for carrying a balance are much higher. So it behooves you to not open these. The last thing you need is a bunch of open lines of credit. That could hurt your credit score. Also, old credit lines are worth more for your credit score than new credit lines. If you're running around opening up these cards, there is a good chance that if you buy a car or buy a house, you're going to be paying higher interest rates because of this. So buyer beware.